a home designed for entertaining and intimate gatherings focused on comfort, convenience, and functionality. Welcome to the guarded gated community of Reserve at Lake Butler Sound on the Butler chain of lakes. Extensive renovations in 2021 resulted in a beautiful functional living space offering 6 bedrooms, 7.5 baths, an infinity edge pool, and a cabana house with a full bath and requirements to create the recreation space or a separate bedroom suite. Rustic Spanish Mediterranean mahogany front doors open to 24-foot ceilings in the foyer with an exceptional pool and lake view. The living room boasts identical ceilings and views, with a cozy fireplace, perfect for relaxing with loved ones. Gorgeous 36-inch marble flooring spans from the foyer and formal areas into the kitchen, family room, and down the glass corridor. The bonus and game rooms, lofts, the executive office, and all bedrooms offer new wood flooring. The formal dining area and spectacular new lighting are the ideal accompaniment for the redesigned fashionable chef's kitchen. New marble counters, a redesigned farmhouse island, stylish cabinetry, and top-of-the-line Viking and Sub-Zero appliances view the family room and dinette with restored beams. Large windows provide abundant natural light highlighting 12-foot ceilings, a fireplace, and the perfect space for a grand Steinway. Behind the kitchen is the brand new modern contemporary designed frameless glass wine cellar showcasing your collection. Nearby is the bonus room, 2 bedrooms with en suites, and a laundry area with a new second dishwasher, apart from the outdoor side screened room with a fireplace. The first floor owner's suite features a gorgeous view, an enormous spa-inspired private bath with a soaking tub and oversized shower, and a 2-story closet with a center island, comfortable lighting, and ample space. An adjacent custom-built executive office with fine hardwood built-ins provides the perfect working environment. The second floor has a dedicated theater room with great sound, a massive projection system, and remote blackout blinds. The redesigned game room features a new bar, appliances, built-ins, and access to a grand veranda with a view of the resurfaced pool, patios, cabana, and the chain of lakes. You will also find 2 more bedrooms with full baths, one with plantation shutters and the other with remote blinds and access to the veranda. Between the floors is a unique kids area with a loft. It's the perfect spot for play and creating new memories. Open the 8 side-by-side French doors to the covered patio and BBQ kitchen with 2 wine refrigerators, an ice maker, and a wet bar. Expand your entertaining outdoors, creating perfect summer barbecues, special occasions, and significant holiday events. The cabana house is ideal for guests or your private getaway, featuring new wood flooring, a gas fireplace, and a remodeled full bath.